Hello, what's up, my colleagues? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 crypto coins to buy and make money from in the month of December 2024. These are coins that, after analyzing them and doing in-depth research into them, I believe they are poised to make crypto investors like me and you good money to spend during this Christmas season. By the way, if you're anyone interested in business and finance related videos or content, do well to smash that like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and as well share this video to someone you think it might be helpful to. And without much talk, let's jump right into the video. Let's go. So jumping into my laptop, the first coin I have, or the coins I have on my radar, there are actually 5: Core, Theta, Polkadot, Dogecoin, and Solana. And I'm going to be sharing with you why each of these coins have huge potential to make you money this month. So starting off with Core, let's go to the website I love to use to do my analysis, which is CoinMarketCap, and quickly let's search for Core. All right, this is actually a very good coin. It's actually rising in price quite quickly. So when I last 147 now. Wow, when I last analyzed this coin, it was around 141, like 10 minutes ago, and right now it's at 148. And I think this coin, there's a lot of potential. Hopefully you can get in on time by the time this video drops. Well, Core is a very good coin. Today they are actually up by 13%, as you can see on CoinMarketCap. It has already appreciated in the last 1 day by 13%. This is a very good coin. They have a market cap of around 1.3 billion USD, and today the volume is up by 66%, which is crazy. And they have, the volume so far for the last 24 hours is 141 million USD. And then the fully diluted market cap, which is like the current price of the coin multiplied by the total supply plus the ones that are actually in some private exchange, or will I say wallet, everything combined together multiplied by the current price. That's what is going to give you the fully diluted market cap. And then the total supply of Core is around 2.09 billion. They're around 2.09 billion core. And the circulating supply, so there's a huge difference between total supply and circulating supply. So what is currently in the market is around 928. So the total supply of Core is around 2 billion. Now if you scroll up a little bit and look at our chart here, you see that so far today, the last one day, our chart is showing green. So today has been a good day for Core, right? Now if you head over to the 7 days, because we are looking at holding this coin for probably a month, between 1 week to 1 month, right, depending on your profit target. Personally, I like to look for 10%, 20% profit target, and sometimes even 5%, right? And I like to go in with like some big money. So 5% of 1k is good money. 5% of $100 is not much money, but still in Nigeria, or for Nigerians, it can be used sometimes, especially if you stack up those wins, right? Now if you go to the 7 days, you see that it's in the last 7 days it's down by 5%. I think this will shine green very soon. If you check here, it's down by 5%. And then in the last 1 month, it's actually in profit. In the last 1 month, it's shining green, but I think it's still I believe it's still going. There are still high chances that it's going to go up higher, right? If you scroll down a little bit, you can see the different exchanges that you can buy Core at. You can buy it at Bybit. For my Nigerian audience, have access to Bybit. You can buy this coin on Bybit and on BitGet as well. You can buy Core on BitGet, and I've left a link in the description and comment section that you can use to sign up on these platforms. If you don't have an account with them, I would really appreciate if you use my link to sign up. So you can buy this coin on Bybit if you're a Nigerian, on OKX, or even on BitGet. And if you're in other countries, if you have access to Bybit, you can make use of Bybit to buy this coin. You can use Coinbase to also buy it. Now let's scroll down a little bit to look at some news, right? So is there any latest news on Core? There's really no much news around Core. So you can read about, this is what Core is about. So Core is built as a layer 1 blockchain. that is compatible with Ethereum virtual machine, which is quite interesting. It can run on Ethereum smart contracts and decentralized apps. The core network is powered by Satoshi Plus consensus mechanism. This is a little bit complicated, so I think you might just have to skip that for now. But after doing my research on core, I really do believe that these guys are building a unique layer 1 blockchain that is going to revolutionize a lot of things in the world. So the fundamentals and the use case for core is quite an interesting one. So even for those that want to hold for more than 1 month, this coin is a very good coin to hold, and I know that this month is going to deliver good returns to investors. Now let's jump into the second coin I have, which is Theta. Theta, it's currently number 58 in terms of market cap on coin market cap. It's currently number 58, and in the last 1 day it has appreciated by 0.48%, which is good. But if you look at the market cap, you see that okay, it's up by 0.48, and then the volume is down by 30.83%. Now some people might be scared, some people might not be scared. Personally, I'm not really. I look for assets that are actually down most of the time. Core is a different case. So in the last 24 hours, the volume is down by 30.82%, which is quite interesting. But let's jump into the chart and just take a look at it. Now you can see that as around 3:30 p.m. this coin was trading at 2.67, right? And right now it's at 2.73, right? So the highest it has gone, if you check, is 2.75. You can see it's 2.75, and there are high chances that it could still touch that area again. But let's look at the 1 day. So if you look at the 7 days, I mean to say, you see that it's down by 10% in the last 7 days. And if you look at the 1 month, it's up by 92%, which is quite interesting, right? Now I do think that Theta has the potential to rise in price. These guys are doing great things, and even though the volume is down in the last 24 hours, you can still see that their market cap is a little bit up, right? So this is a great indicator that something unique can happen. Now, even though this does not really give us a proper insight to why Theta might be a good coin to buy, I also love to use TradeView to to analyze the charts proper. I'm not a technical analyst, by the way. I'm a fundamental guy, but I still know or have a little bit of idea of technical, so I still sometimes leverage on that, right? Well, for those that might be interested in buying Theta, you can purchase it on Binance, on Bybit, and on OKX. These are some great platforms you can buy the coin at. Now, before we do further insight or research into this coin, let's just scroll down a little bit. So Theta is a layer 1 blockchain. Quite interesting. Those coins or those programs that are built on Solana or Bitcoin or Ethereum, they are called layer 2, but layer 1 blockchains are basically blockchains that have their own ecosystem, that kind of thing. So Theta network is like, it has its own ecosystem that you can build on top of, right? These guys have great use case for their product. You can use it to build the apps and other stuff. Well, let's just head over to TradeView and check out the chart of Theta. So this is Theta. This is Theta, right? Let's start with the 1 month. Okay, we're already on the 1 month chart. Now, looking at the 1 month chart, you can see that it's actually down. It's going down, like it's trend. The trend is downwards, right? Which is quite interesting. And you can see that in the chart here. Let's judge from April or from March, right? So in March, it touched around $3, and then it reached $3.77, and then it reversed and went down. There was a little bit of a downward trend. It went down to as low as $1, and then it picked up a little bit, around November, picked up a little bit, and touched $3 again, touched around $3 again, and now December it's at $2.681 this month. Now let's scale this a little bit. Now if you look at these charts, there are high chances that I still see this coin going down a little bit. I still see it trending downwards, but I believe that with the whole with the bull run we are expecting in January, Theta, there's a lot of potential for Theta to go up. I believe this is going to be not necessarily a fully 1 month coin to hold. I think this coin has the potential to do well in 1 to 2 months time. Now with the insight I have about Theta, I think it has the potential to climb back in price. It has that potential. If you see this coin market cap graph of Theta, you see that it's currently at 268 or 275, but this same year where the market has been trying to pick up, it has touched $3, 1.3 something cents, right? And it's currently trading at 2.688. And with January coming, where the new US president is going to be sworn in, and with the whole bull cycle we are really expecting next year, I really do believe that this coin is going to pick up. And look at, there are over 542,000 people that have this coin on their watch list. From here, this place you're seeing here that has a star. So there are over 500 and something thousand people that have this coin on their watch list. So there are a lot of people watching and looking forward to this coin rallying up. It's currently number 58 on CoinMarketCap. The volume is there, maybe not that much, but the volume is there. There's liquidity for this coin, and with it being a layer one coin, there's a lot of potential for this coin to do well. I really do believe. So this is a coin you want to either add to your watch list or add it to your portfolio, and believe that it's going to do well in the next 1 to 2 months time. The next coin I'm looking out for is Polkadot. So Polkadot is number 16 on CoinMarketCap. In the last 1 day, it's actually down by 2%, and it's just bearish, right? The market cap of the coin is 13.64 billion, which is not that bad. It has a volume of 707 million USD. Quite interesting, because this signifies liquidity, even though the liquidity is down in the last 24 hours by 22.72%, but 707 means there's really huge liquidity for this coin, right? And then the fully diluted market cap is 13.3, not bad, and is almost the same as the market cap, which means that the total supply and the circulating supply are almost the same thing. Nice. This is what we want to see. This is what we want to see. This coin has a lot of potential. There is money in this coin. Now, it's if you check our chart, if you check the 7 days chart, you can see that Polkadot is down by 15.73% in the last 7 days. This is the kind of coin I love to buy and hold. Now, if you look at the coin, you see that it has touched $10. Yes, the coin has touched $10 this month. I believe it has touched $10 this month. Around the 7th of December, it was at $10, right? And it's currently trading. It has gone down. The lowest it has gone down since the 7th of December, which is around the last 7 days actually, is 7.8. So it means this at this $8 is a good entry, because in the last 7 days, even though it's down by 15% in the last 7 days, between the 7th of December to the 11th of December, it has shown that this price of $7.65 is a price that is willing to touch and go back up again, right? And now it's now ranging at around $8. It's now ranging at around $8, right? So it means that there is hope for this coin to still go up in price. There's huge hope for this coin to go back up in price. So look at where it's just ranging. It's just ranging here, It has touched here and gone back up. So it's just ranging. It's just ranging. And this ranging means it's just demand and supply. People fighting. Demand and supply are fighting. But I believe that with the bull run we're expecting, with what's happening with Bitcoin, there's a lot of opportunity for this coin to really go up in price. Now, if you scroll up a little bit, you see that Polkadot can be purchased on Binance. For anybody that might be interested in buying Polkadot, you can buy it on Binance, on Bybit, and on Coinbase. And this coin really has great use case. Polkadot has great use case. It's actually an open source project. You can see Polkadot is an open source sharded multi-chain protocol that connects and secure a network of specialized blockchains, facilitating cross-chain transfers. So the Polkadot is trying to help different blockchains interact with each other, which is a good problem it's trying to solve, because most blockchains interact in isolation. They just work like they are meant for just their own ecosystem, people that use that blockchain to build projects, right? But Polkadot is trying to help different blockchains interact with each other, which is a great problem, or will I say solution, they are actually providing to the marketplace. So there's a whole lot of opportunity here. And remember, when it comes to investing, you always want to buy when everybody is selling. So Polkadot is a coin that I have actually researched before this video, and I know that there's huge potential for this coin to rally up in the next 1 month to 2 months. So jumping to the next coin, we have Dogecoin. Yes, Dogecoin is actually on my list of coins to buy this month. So let's look up Dogecoin. Let's look up Dogecoin. Dogecoin is currently number 7 when it comes to market cap, and it's down. Dogecoin is down by 2% in the last 1 day. It's actually down by 2%. So this means there's opportunity. So let me just look at the 1 month, even though I know it's up. So in the last 1 month, Dogecoin is actually down in the last 1 month, which is quite interesting. So it has gone up. Dogecoin has touched 0.47. Now it's down at 0.40. Now, if you check again, in November of 2023, it touched 0.46 and went down again and climbed up a little bit in 2024, early 2024, and went down again, climbed up on the 8th of December, which is early this month. Actually, it climbed up to 466 and now it's at 40. Now it's now ranging here. This ranging here means that it is preparing for a takeoff. It is actually ranging, it's preparing for a takeoff. This Dogecoin is preparing for a huge takeoff because it doesn't want to break towards, it doesn't want to go down, it doesn't want to break from here and go downwards, because if it goes downwards, it means that I'm personally going to buy more Dogecoin, right? So it's just ranging here. People are buying, people are taking their profit which they got from here, and it's just ranging here. People that bought when it went down, the thing went back up again. So it's just ranging here. So I really believe that it's going to break above the 0.40 and head back up. It's really going to head back up. Let's use bar. So you can see the bar chart. It's just ranging here. I really believe that Dogecoin has the potential to go to touch 0.50, and with the US swearing in coming, and the whole Doge Department of Government Efficiency in the United States that has been created, I know that anybody that is buying Dogecoin right now is really going to make money by January next year. So this is the right time to purchase Dogecoin and hold. Then finally, on my top 5 coins to buy this month is Solana. So let's check out Solana. Solana has been one of the best performing crypto coins this year. So Solana is actually down by 3.98% in the last 1 day, right? The coin has a market cap of 105 billion USD. It has a volume of 4.29 billion USD and a total supply of 590 million. So there's a whole lot of coins that are not in circulation. Now let's look at the chart. So if you look at the chart, you see that in the last 1 day, Solana has touched 233 dollars per 1 SOL, and it has gone down to around 221, which you can see on your screen here, which is around 4.38%, which is quite interesting, right? Now remember, we are buying for 1 month, so we need to still look at the one month chart. But before we look at the 1 month chart, let's take a look at the 7 days. So in the last 7 days, Solana is actually at a loss of 6.92%, which is also good opportunity. It has gone down here and it touched here and went back up again. Now it's now ranging. Now let's look at the 1 month. So in the last 1 month, Solana is up by 2.25%, which is quite interesting. Now if you look at this place, you see that Solana has touched 260. Solana has touched $261, and it fell down, came up a little bit at 243, fell down again to 220 something, and went back up to 238, and now it has gone down to 219, and it went down to as low as 212, right, and went back up again to 220 something. Now it's going down again. So what does this indicate? It's showing this pattern of up down, up down, up down. So there are two things involved here. Either it's going to tank more, or it's going to go higher. And personally, I have confidence that it's going to go up, because people that bought at 261 had to take their profit, because it hit its all-time high. 261 is its all-time high. So people that bought low when it was trading at 200 and something, and it hit 260 something, they have to take their profit, right? And that's why it went down again, and it's now ranging. It is yet to touch this all-time high again. So it's now ranging between the range of 220 to 240, 250, right? So I really do think that Solana has all it takes to hit $300, but that's for those that are willing to hold for 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. It could even get bigger than that, but by January, I think Solana has all it takes to be at $300 per one soul, or even $250. So if you buy now at this price of 221, you're looking at good profits, right? So Solana is a coin that I think would make people good money in the month of December, making up my top 5 crypto coins to look out for or buy in this month of December. If you enjoyed this video, do also smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment on what you think on these coins, and if you like this format, actually, because this is a new format, I don't necessarily do this type of format. So leave a comment on what you think about this format, on what you think about the coins. If there are some coins I need to check out, leave a comment, and there is a link to join my business and investing group, or let's say community, on Telegram. So you can join that, and see you in the next video.